Basagin mo yung banner.
For Jagosi. Yeah, listen, brawlers can stay mounted, okay? Listen. Walk in and spread, okay? Walk in and spread. Listen, walk in and
Brawlers
spread.
mount.
Find
Put
Johnny,
up
find
OC.
Jenny. Just walk.
And then mount up.
Careful, okay? They're also rapping, okay? Tell me if someone dismounted enemy, okay? Just walk north. Walk. Can we start? You don't have to dismount them yet, okay? Wait for them to dismount. Just keep walking. Get ready to clap, okay? Marlika, get ready. My clap DPS, okay? Just walk. My clap DPS, get ready. North side, okay? North side shallow. Wait,
Subo tayo
spread.
kami.
Subo tayo.
Spread on the west side. Spread on the west side.
Subo
Spread on the west
tayo.
side. It's okay. Spread on the west side. Spread on the west side. Smash the intro, okay? Just spread. They're walking, okay? They're walking. Ready def shallow. Careful. Marlika, brawlers walking. Def shallow. Marlika, get ready. My clap DPS, look at east side. 5, shallow. 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Now spread and brawl around. Brawl around the spread. Heal up. Yo, boys, spread farther. You guys are so clumped up together. Spread around. Careful, okay?
Jenny east side.
Jenny looking, okay? Jenny looking east side. Spread and brawl. Heal up inside of me. Ready, defend inside of me. My clap DPS, get ready. Heal
Jenny
up.
walking
Left
south.
Marika, get ready. Look at west side of me. Get ready, okay? Hold on, west side of me now. 5. Bada HO. 4, 3, 2, 1. West side, everything. Big. Now spread. Guys, get out and spread. You guys are so clumped up with me, man. You guys are so clumped up. Can you guys spread around, please, and brawl? Right? Spread farther, DPS. Spread farther. You guys are clumped up in the middle. Hello, heal up. Yo, clap DPS, everyone. Look at northwest side. Get ready. Northwest side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest side on me. Now spread and heal up. Spread and heal up. Careful, okay? Careful. Spread and heal up. Heal
Here inside, please.
Just spread and heal up. Heal up on me.
Somebody heal.
Heal up around me. They're gonna engage soon here, okay? Listen. They're gonna engage soon here.
heal.
Careful. Marika, clap DPS. Yo, brothers. Save me. Marika, get ready. Look at the middle. Look at the crown. Everything, get ready. On the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything crown now. Spread. Careful. Def northwest. Def northwest and heal up. Heal up only. Spread, boys. Spread. You guys are so clumped up together. Just spread. Def middle. Heal me. Spread everyone out. Spreading it out. Yo, brawlers. Why you guys clumping?
Yo, your bottom man AFK.
Bottom, get out. Brawlers.
AFK West. What the fuck?
What battle mount?
What battle mode?
I regretting.
Let's go suicide mission.
Why you guys so clumped